Hello friends, I hope you're doing well, and here Ramdan Kareem 2025 opener and intro template for Adobe After Effects and Adobe Premiere, but these are protected. First you need subscription for access on my own file. Go to sherryskpwd.com, just one time payment for access of my old file, okay, and here 23 different intro and title opener for Adobe After Effects and Adobe Premiere. Size of this folder 6.32 GB, but don't worry, I will compressed. And here's some preview file like this one. Very colorful. For After Effects and also for After Effects. CS 12, 15 and 5.5. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me. Take care. Love this.